This is gonna blow your mind. Embark on this adventure with me as I test a straightforward technique for generating income online. Let's discover if it's truly effective. The digital age has made earning money on the internet more accessible than ever before. The web has created countless opportunities for individuals to generate income from their homes. However, many people still find it challenging to begin their online money-making journey. The digital landscape, while full of opportunities, can also be a maze of confusion and frustration. That's why I'm eager to introduce you to an uncomplicated method that can assist you individuals from achieving success in the digital realm. The answer isn't straightforward, as there are multiple factors at play. I believe one of the main hurdles is the overwhelming amount of available information. The internet is flooded with countless articles, videos, and courses, each claiming to have the secret to online success. The multitude of strategies and methods can be daunting. It's easy to get lost in a sea of conflicting advice, unsure of which path to follow. This trial and error process can be discouraging and time-consuming. Additionally, the fear of not succeeding can be paralyzing. The thought of investing time and effort without guaranteed results can deter many from even starting. There's always the concern that your time and effort might not yield the desired results. This fear can be a significant barrier to taking the first step. One significant obstacle individuals encounter is insufficient expertise. Many feel they lack the necessary skills to navigate the online world effectively. Whether it's a lack of technological proficiency or unfamiliarity with online self-promotion, the starting point can be elusive. The learning curve can seem steep and intimidating. Even after initiating efforts, desired outcomes may not materialize, leading to a sense of stagnation despite hard work. This can be particularly disheartening when you've invested significant time and energy. Additionally, identifying genuine opportunities poses a challenge. The internet is rife with scams and misleading offers. The abundance of fraudulent schemes and promises of instant wealth makes it challenging to discern authentic prospects from deceptive ones. This can lead to wasted resources and shattered trust. The allure of easy money might result in wasted time and resources. Many fall prey to get-rich-quick schemes, only to find themselves disappointed and financially strained. Lastly, maintaining motivation proves difficult. The journey to making money online is often long and requires consistent effort. Generating income online requires sustained effort and patience, and the absence of immediate results can be disheartening. It's easy to lose hope when progress seems slow. Initial enthusiasm may wane, leading to abandonment of the endeavor. Many start with high hopes but give up when faced with challenges. Despite these challenges, it's important to remember that success is possible. With the right approach and mindset, you can overcome these obstacles and achieve your online money-making goals. Start by setting realistic expectations and breaking down your goals into manageable steps. With others who are on a similar journey. Join online communities and forums where you can share experiences, seek advice, and find support. Develop a clear plan and stick to it. Consistency is key, and having a structured approach can help you stay focused and on track. Remember, the path to making money online is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay persistent, and keep pushing forward. Your efforts will pay off in the long run. With determination, keep going, and you'll achieve your goals. Imagine if there was an uncomplicated strategy that could help you surmount these challenges. A method that's straightforward to implement, doesn't require extensive expertise, and can be executed from your residence. The strategy I'm referring to is known as affiliate marketing. In essence, you endorse another company's product or service and receive a percentage of the sales you generate. While the concept is straightforward, its potential is substantial. The most appealing aspect is that it's accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or level of experience. The process works as follows. You become part of an affiliate program. This typically involves signing up on a company's website or through an affiliate network. Once you are approved, you gain access to a unique affiliate link or a set of links that you can use to promote the company's products or services, and then share the product with your network. This can be your friends, family, or a broader audience if you have a social media following or an email list. This can be done through various channels such as social media platforms, email campaigns, blog posts, or even video content. The key is to reach as many potential customers as possible, or even a basic website. Many affiliates create dedicated landing pages or blogs where they review products and include their affiliate links. When someone purchases the product using your specific link, you earn a commission. The commission rate can vary depending on the company and the product, but it is usually a percentage of the sale price. It's a mutually beneficial arrangement. The company increases its sales, often reaching customers they might not have otherwise, and you have the opportunity to generate income. The more effective you are at promoting the product, the more you can earn. Affiliate marketing's effectiveness stems from its low-risk nature. You don't need to invest in product development or worry about customer service issues. There's no need to develop a product, which can be time-consuming and costly, or manage inventory and shipping. These logistical aspects are handled by the company whose products you are promoting. Instead, you can concentrate on product promotion and earning commissions. This allows you to focus on creating engaging content that attracts potential buyers. This straightforward approach has enabled individuals to generate substantial online income, even without technical expertise or a large following. Many successful affiliates started with little to no experience and grew their income over time. It's remarkable how this simple technique can create a passive revenue stream. Once your content is out there, it can continue to generate sales and commissions for you, even while you sleep or focus on other projects. This potential for passive income is one of the most attractive aspects of affiliate marketing. Consider the case of a homemaker who supplements her income by $1,000 monthly through affiliate marketing. This homemaker, who juggles daily chores and family responsibilities, has found a way to contribute significantly to her household income without stepping out of her home. Despite lacking specialized skills or experience, her success comes from consistency and perseverance. Every day, she dedicates a few hours to researching products, understanding her audience's needs, and crafting compelling recommendations. She earns commissions by recommending products to her audience and benefiting from resulting sales. Her strategy involves sharing honest reviews and personal experiences with the products, which builds trust and encourages her audience to make purchases based on her recommendations. Consider the case of a university student who generates an additional $2,000 monthly through affiliate marketing. Balancing studies and social life, this student has discovered a lucrative side hustle that not only supports his education expenses, but also provides extra cash for leisure activities. Despite limited time, he concentrates on endorsing products he genuinely appreciates. By focusing on items that resonate with his interests and those of his peers, he creates authentic and relatable content that drives sales. By recommending these items to his social circle, he receives a percentage of the sales he produces. His approach includes leveraging social media platforms to reach a broader audience, engaging with followers through interactive posts, and providing valuable insights about the products. These instances are just a glimpse of the numerous possibilities. From stay-at-home parents to busy students, affiliate marketing offers a flexible and accessible way to earn extra income. Affiliate marketing serves as a straightforward technique that anyone can employ to generate income online. With dedication, strategic planning, and a genuine approach, individuals from all walks of life can tap into this opportunity and achieve financial success. To summarize, I've introduced you to a simple method for earning money on the internet today. This approach, known as affiliate marketing, is a low-risk tactic accessible to everyone. No specialized abilities or prior experience are necessary, and you can begin earning immediately. I appreciate you watching, and please share your thoughts on this technique in the comments section below. Have you experimented with affiliate marketing? What outcomes did you achieve? If you're interested in learning more about online income generation, be sure to explore my other videos for additional tips and strategies.